drone hunt by laser weapon demonstrated by United Kingdom. Britain unveils its groundbreaking laser cannon designed to intercept and neutralize airborne threats, setting a new standard in defense technology. The UK's Ministry of Defence has successfully tested the Dragonfire laser weapon, showcasing its ability to eliminate swarms of drones with unparalleled precision. The high-power beam, traveling at the speed of light, was put to the test at a Hebrides range in Scotland, marking a significant advancement in directed energy weaponry in response to the escalating drone attacks by Houthi rebels in the Red Sea. United Kingdom politicians are now considering an expedited deployment of this cutting-edge defense system. The Ministry of Defence emphasizes the strategic importance of these trials, with Paul Hollinshead, the chief executive of the Defence Science and Technology Laboratory, stating, "These trials have propelled us forward in comprehending the potential benefits and understanding the threats posed by directed energy weapons." While the Ministry of Defence has not disclosed a weapon's range, it asserts that the laser's accuracy is exceptional, equivalent to hitting a coin at a kilometer's distance. The Dragonfire system, with an estimated development cost of £100 million, utilizes a concentrated energy beam that operates at the speed of light, offering a cost-effective solution for neutralizing threats, boasting the ability to engage aerial targets several miles away. The laser weapon system is projected to be operational in protecting naval vessels within the next 5 years. The operational cost is remarkably low, with firing the laser for 10 seconds equating to the cost of using a regular heater for just an hour at less than $13 per shot. This advanced technology not only ensures national security, but does so economically. As the UK pioneers this groundbreaking technology, it joins a global effort in developing laser weapons. The United States has reportedly deployed similar systems in the Middle East to deter drone and missile attacks, underscoring the increasing importance of laser weaponry in modern defense strategies. To get more science and technology updates, subscribe our channel.